I've been using the native UGREEN NAS Theater app as an alternative to Plex and Jellyfin, and it's been working great. So in this video, I'll cover how you can configure and use it in your setup as well. This video builds off my UGREEN NAS automated media server video, but if you have your own media saved to your NAS, you can configure the Theater app to point to the specific location where your media is saved as well. Let's start by first installing the Theater app from the App Center. Once installed, you can launch the app, which should bring you to the library creation guide where you can create your first library. I'll start with the Movies library, so that's what I'll enter for name. Then I'll select English as the language I'd like to use. For folder, I'll click Add, then select the Movies folder under arr-stack Data and Media, and click Confirm. Then I'll click Save to complete the Movies library setup. Next, I'll click on the gear icon and click Next through the informational pop-up windows. I'd like to set up a TV shows library as well, so under Service, I'll click Library, then select New Library. For name, I'll enter TV shows. Language should already be set, and for folder, I'll click Add, expand arr-stack Data, then Media, select the TV folder, click Confirm, then click Apply to add the TV shows library. At this point, I'll click on the Homepage button in the app to display the media I have saved on my UGREEN NAS under the library folders that I've added. Like Plex and Jellyfin, the Theater app also identifies and matches media information and pulls in posters and descriptions, cast and crew information, along with other details that really give you a pleasant in-app experience. I also like that the Theater app makes it easy to personalize with easy-to-follow menu items. You'll be able to customize what's displayed and the order in which items appear in the navigation menu. You can configure the home page with or without a carousel, and again enable or disable what modules are displayed and in what order. Under Content Cards, you can toggle the ratings and resolution of your media on or off. Under Service, along with managing your media libraries, you can configure your own personal TMDB API key under Data Source, set permissions for your various users under User Management, configure background management tasks to schedule library scans and identify intros and outros in your media, and enable Cloud Drive playback if you've mounted a cloud drive containing your media to your UGREEN NAS. If you've enabled UGREENlink remote access to your NAS and installed the UGREEN mobile app on your mobile device, you can use the Theater app to access your media from wherever you may be, and in my experience, this setup works really well. I think the UGREEN Theater app could be a viable alternative to Plex and Jellyfin, but let me know what you think in the comments below. You may also want to check out UGREEN's Theater app knowledge base if you want to learn more about it. Also, if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel as well. Lastly, if you'd like to support my work, consider becoming a channel member, or if you'd like one-on-one help with a project you are working on, you can hire me by using the links on screen or in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.